Hi, I'm Blaine from AT Motorsports. Come and check out this absolute beast of a Tacoma I got over here. At AT Motorsports, we went all out on this Stage 11 Ikon Kit. Billet arms front, billet trailing arm rear, sitting on the Method 305 tires, wrapped in these massive 35-inch Toyota Open Country RTs, sure to set you apart. Up front here, this will make you the hero on the trail. This 12,000-pound DV8 winch, DV8 front bumper, also custom appearance package, TRD Pro Grill, and all Baja Designs lighting throughout, definitely set you apart. All the lighting on the truck is controlled by this neatly packaged switch panel. Just at a press of a button, you can turn all the lights on, just like that, and one press of the center button turns them all off. All right, guys, that wraps up all the trick accessories that we added to this 2025 Tacoma. Check us out at atmotorsports.com, and we will see you out on the trail.